Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone. First, open your Play Store app. From here, go to the search bar and search App Locker. Once you're in the result page, tap on App Lock. Then, install this app as shown here. I have it already, so I don't have to download it. So all you gotta do is download this app. Once it's done, open the App Lock app on your phone. Now verify and then scroll through and tap on the apps that you want to lock. As you can see, all the apps on your phone are available here. And all I'm having to do is just tapping on them. And the apps are getting locked. This way you can lock as many apps as you want. Once it's done, go back to your home page. From here, try to open an app that you just locked. As you can see, if I try to open Facebook, it will ask to verify my identity. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.